On this episode of YaEat, we're making bacon wrapped shrimp in a lemon butter white wine garlic sauce.
Spend some time with your family and watch this recipe, and make sure you watch to the end.
Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of YaEat. As usual, I'm really excited to have you here, and I appreciate all of your support. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making one of my all-time favorite dishes. It's going to be a bacon wrapped shrimp. You can serve this as an appetizer or as an entree. Most of the time when you order this dish at a restaurant, it's just going to be bacon wrapped shrimp. It's going to be kind of on the dry side. They're usually pan fried or maybe even deep fried. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pan fry this, and then I'm going to deglaze the pan of the bacon and the shrimp, and I'm going to make a really nice like a garlic lemon butter sauce. So I'm really excited, and I'm ready to make some bacon wrapped shrimp. Are you ready? Here we go. Print all our recipes on YaEat.tv. Okay, these are really easy to peel. They're already cut down the back here, so we just have to peel it. And we're going to leave the tail on. And we can save the shells for future. I'm not going to wait 30 minutes to an hour just to get flavor out of these shells. And the shrimp cooks so quickly. So if you want this dish to be real quick, just use some clam juice. That's what I'm going to use today. I was looking for 16-20 shrimp because they're a little bit bigger. These are 21-25s. And then I'm going to try to peel out the biggest shrimp that I have out of these 21-25s. Sometimes I put the shrimp in this container and the shell in that container, so I got to double check. So I cut the bacon in half, and we're just going to wrap the shrimp up in a half a piece of bacon. And that's it. All right, we're going to wash the cutting board, and then we're going to prep up the garlic, and that's really all we really need to do. And we're going to start to fry this up. This dish contains some garlic, so I'm just going to prep that up ahead of time. Okay, all prep work pretty much is done. The rest of it's kind of easy, and we can do that while the shrimp is cooking. I'm going to add a little bit extra virgin olive oil just to coat the pan. We just want that to get started. We don't want the bacon to stick to the pan. You're going to get a lot of fat from the bacon. I'm going to wind up, not using all that fat. So let's just get this shrimp in here. I want to make sure they're not sticking. Okay, I want to make sure the bacon's nice and crispy. Yeah, like that. I add a little thyme to the pan. Alright, so we can start removing our shrimp. Let's keep the thyme in there for a little bit. Let's cut the heat down for a second. We're going to remove the thyme. I'm going to drain some of this grease. There's just way too much grease in here. You need to keep a little bit of grease because I'm going to cook the garlic up now. We're going to put it back on. Don't forget about our monthly contest that we will be starting once we reach 1,000 YouTube subscribers. All you need to do to qualify is to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like at least one of our videos. And as our YouTube channel grows, so will our prizes. Don't forget to click the bell and spread the word. So while the garlic is going to brown up, a couple more seconds on that. And then we're going to hit it with some white wine. Only about a half a cup. We're deglazing the pan. You ever get distracted, take it off the flame. Okay. Gonna add some clam juice, butter, and we'll just throw some of this thyme in here. After you pan fry the thyme, it comes right off, so it's really easy. It's a lot easier coming off than if it was just non-cooked. Actually, I'll put two ounces of butter. Some lemon. Basil. I'm going to try one of these shrimp. At the very end, we're going to throw in a little parsley for garnish. And to get us up a little bit with a flour slurry. I didn't add that much, just a little bit. Okay, so the last minute items, we're going to throw a couple of tomatoes in here. We don't really want them cooked, just warm. Alright, the only thing we need is a little black pepper. And we taste it, see how the salt level is on there. That's definitely thick enough. Alright, let's get these shrimp. I'm going to put them all in here. We throw these tomatoes in here. Okay, we're just going to put our finishing touches. We sliced the lemon and we dipped it in parsley. We're also going to add the fried thyme on top, and we'll finish it off with some balsamic glaze. And we're done. And voila! That looks really good. So here are the bacon wrapped shrimp without the sauce. And then we got the bacon wrapped shrimp with the lemon butter garlic white wine sauce. Bacon wrapped shrimp and lemon butter garlic white wine sauce. You eat? You want to eat? Make this recipe. It's delicious. That's our bacon wrapped shrimp. We're going to give it a quick taste test. It's really delicious. Here's what the shrimp looks like. Just basically just fried up. And we're going to just eat this one as well without the sauce. And this is how I always had them. Almost like scallop wrapped in bacon as well. That wraps up this week's recipe of bacon wrapped shrimp. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. It is really delicious, very simple. You can just make it with or without the sauce. Believe me, the sauce is very delicious, but again, it's also delicious without the sauce. I will be back next week with a new recipe. Thank you for joining me today, and we will see you next week. Have a great week.
Here's an offer you shouldn't refuse. Subscribe to this channel.